Picture yourself in the 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.